DJT stock analysis and stock predictions. Is it a buy? Let's see what is Trump Media stock or the Truth Social stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Now, it was like Trump Media Technology stock sitting at like 1757. Again, another trading day, another 3% down. Only really was going to be bullish for me if the price started breaking above. Then it's still going to be the same. I mean, as long as we stay above this gray zone and doesn't start breaking lower, this is still going to hold place. And honestly, like, instead of assuming, because more likely now we're going to see this thing kind of fall down, but without assuming, I'm going to wait. If it manages to start picking up higher and gives me that double break, only then I'll take it higher. Anything else is going to be noise. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the first link in the description. I have no course to sell you. All reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.